Now, Apple has become the first company in history to briefly reach a valuation of $3 trillion. It's just the latest milestone for the gadget maker, which has seen its stock rise 200% since the beginning of the pandemic. The company's sales have surged as lockdowns fueled demand for its products, led by its top moneymaker, the iPhone. That's the world's most popular smartphone. Apple's also responsible for industry-leading bestsellers like the iPad and the Apple Watch. Apple is the world's biggest company in value, but not in terms of revenue. That distinction is held by retailer Walmart, which books more than $500 billion in sales every year. E-commerce conglomerate Amazon also has a bigger top line at more than $450 billion annually. In Apple's last fiscal year, revenues rose 33% to more than $365 billion. Now, for more on the story, let's go to Naeem Aslam. He's the Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade in London. Welcome back to the program, Naeem. Happy New Year. Now, let's start. Apple, not the biggest company in terms of revenue, as I said there, and it's not as diversified as other Silicon Valley giants like Alphabet and Amazon. So why did they like Apple so much, or is there a chance that maybe it's overvalued now?
Thanks for having me, and Happy New Year to you as well. I think Apple is diversified, but I concur with you, it's not well diversified like other companies that you have mentioned, because Apple does provide services in the cloud, in music, in movies. So there is a really wide variety of diversification at Apple as a company. But yes, as a product, iPhone is still the leading product. However, I think there's one thing with Apple, and that is innovation and style, which still pretty much stands out among its competitors. Yes, Samsung is by large the most innovative company, because if you're an Android user, you will see that the functions that you will see in Androids, they will be like 2 years ahead, and then Apple will just kind of be still catching up with that innovative game. But I think Apple's watch is something that we've got to be very much be looking at, because the health industry for us and where we see Apple growing is a key area for growth going forward in 2022. And another important thing, I think this particular year, we will also see VR glasses, or the virtual reality move by Apple this year as well, because of course metaverse is the sexy word for 2022 and is likely to continue into 2023 as well. And Apple will make a move. Watch out for that one.
Right, so Apple getting a lot of style points, but as you say, innovation is key, and the question is always what's next. So you mentioned the glasses, the Apple Watch, more features being added to that. What about the prospect for an Apple car? We've heard a lot of buzz over this. Does Apple need that to keep its edge, or are investors happy to see Apple keep doing what it does best?
I think the conversation around Apple Car, that's been going on for a very long period of time. But now we do think that it is likely that we will see more integration, more collaboration from Apple with another car, another EV car, whatever that sort of a collaboration could be. It's too early to say. But yes, you could potentially see another major headline from Apple in 2022 in the EV space and coming into this electric vehicle market.
All right, Naeem Aslam, Chief Market Analyst at AvaTrade in London. Thank you.